In this module, you will learn about how to find the resources you need to write your research paper. We will review the types of resources available, help you choose which resources are appropriate for your project, and show you the steps you should take to find the three main types of resources: books, electronic articles, and information from other websites. There are a number of different types of resources you may be looking for. Some are in print or physical form, such as books and audio-visual materials. Others are available electronically or online, such as articles found through the library databases or websites. The important thing to consider when choosing your materials is what your instructor requires for the project. Instructors are very specific about the number and type of resources that should be used and included in your bibliography. For an example, an instructor may ask for books and scholarly articles only. We'll find out more about what this means in just a minute. When determining whether you should be looking for books or articles, or both, it is important to take into consideration the differences between these two types of resources. If you are looking for current information, you most likely will need an article, since the publishing process is such that books can take up to a year or more to hit the streets. Books, however, can provide broad coverage on topics. For example, a book about eating disorders may cover all aspects of the problem, while an article may address just one aspect. Books can be used for framing your topic in your paper, that is, providing interesting background information. And if you hear the words peer-reviewed, scholarly, or refereed from your instructor, you know you are required to use articles from library databases and limit your search to scholarly articles. If you are looking for books or anything within the physical Middlesex Community College Library, you will be using the online catalog. You will not find articles through the online catalog, only items found within our library, and ebooks, I should add. Click on the Middlesex Community College link found under the Library tab in my.comnet.edu to gain access to the resources you will need. To learn how to search the online catalog for books and other materials found within the library, please review our online tutorial found on the Find Books screen. You can also request books be sent from other libraries across Connecticut and beyond using our interlibrary loan service. We can also work with your local libraries to have books from the Middlesex Community College Library delivered there for easier pickup via this service. You will need to allow for enough advance notice, at least a week, and provide basic information about the item, such as title, author, and publication information. Please contact us for more information about this service. At one point, you will most likely need articles from periodicals, that is, scholarly journals, newspapers, and magazines, through our library databases. You may start with a general database or select a subject-specific one depending on your topic, such as education or criminal justice or psychology. Don't be intimidated by the number of databases we subscribe to. There are actually only a few differences in the search screens, and each provides the same types of places to do the same kinds of things. It's just a matter of taking a few minutes to find your way around. Many articles are found full text online, and you can limit your search to only those that are available full text. If your instructor asks you to find academic or scholarly articles only, no popular magazines, be sure to check the box noted peer-reviewed, academic, or refereed when searching. So just what is the difference between scholarly journals or popular magazines? Sometimes the difference is quite evident, particularly when you're looking at the print version of a periodical. A popular magazine will be more colorful and include more ads, for example. In the electronic version, however, it may be a bit harder to tell. The scholarly journal will most likely include the names of the authors up front, mostly scholars and experts in their fields with many credentials. The article may include an abstract, detailed methodology about the study, lots of charts and graphs and few pictures, findings from the results, and an extensive bibliography at the end of the article. By the way, the bibliography is a rich source for additional sources of information. You may recognize much jargon of the field in the scholarly article, and the length of these scholarly articles may be longer and more in-depth than those in a popular magazine. The title of the scholarly journal may have the words review or journal or bulletin in it. While an article from a popular magazine, such as this one entitled Eggs for Your Eyes, may have relevant information to your topic, it is important to consider if it is appropriate to include popular perspective in your paper or presentation. Obviously, if your instructor wants you to limit your sources to scholarly ones only, this article would not be appropriate. For a refresher on the differences between scholarly journals and popular magazines, refer to Help with Your Research, Finding Information Online. Now that you know you need to search the library databases to find articles for your paper, here are some search tips for the databases. Use keywords rather than sentences. Type in words such as violence and video games, not the complete sentence, do violent video games lead to violent behavior? Use Boolean searching techniques such as keywords and, or, and enclosing phrases and quotations. Use the power of the databases to limit your results by choosing alternative subject headings suggested by the database. Now pick out one general database, such as Academic Search Premier, and one subject-specific database, such as those found under Criminal Justice, and familiarize yourself with these databases by reviewing their tutorials. You may need to supplement what you find in a book or the database articles with information found through another organization's website. If you're going to include these websites on your bibliography or works cited page, be sure that your instructor has stated that you can include websites as resources. Some may, many may not. Some instructors will allow you to use web information found outside the library databases as background reading only, but not in your list of sources. Check with them first. A reliable, quick way to search for websites is to use the library's recommended websites. These are sites compiled by Middlesex librarians and verified to be appropriate for use by students doing academic research. They are organized by subject to help you find what you need quickly. Many students prefer to do their own internet searching. Our only caution would be to carefully evaluate what you find. Look at authority, who created the website, objectivity, what's their motivation, accuracy, you may need to verify with other sources, currency, when was the last time the website was updated, and relevancy to your topic. For additional guidance, refer to the handout, Tips on Evaluating Websites, found under Help with Your Research, Evaluating Information, and review the module Evaluating Websites. Or make it easy on yourself and start with the library's recommended websites. We hope you have already had the chance to review the module Research Process 101, and we encourage you to supplement your learning by reviewing other modules, such as Evaluating Websites and Citing Your Sources. There are also a number of materials your professor will make available to you, as well as resources found in the Middlesex Community College Library and your public library, and those found on your own. We hope you continue to expand your knowledge and expertise in conducting research. Remember that the library is here to help you along the way and can be contacted in a number of ways, in person, via email, phone, and through instant messaging. May you find all that you need and have a little fun along the way.